This is a 3D printed piggy bank project requested by my sister. I have not printed one of these yet. I have tried a couple times with multicolor filament and it did not look good. I ended up canceling the print before it got too far. So we'll see how this one goes with one color. The nozzle clips the print in 3, 2, 1. Alright, here's the finished product. You can see through the holes on the side there that we did have an issue during the print process where the nozzle clipped that left leg and bumped it out of the way. If you go back in the video, you can see that happen. It looks like it happens right before the bridge between the two legs starts, but it's kind of hard to tell. Other than that, the print turned out about how I expected. It is a bit smaller than I thought it would be. But all in all, I think it was a pretty fun print. Thanks for watching. Check this out. It works. That was a quarter. It's a penny. Nickel. Oh, the dime failed. That other post is barely hanging on, so I just pulled it out. Oh, I didn't put the bottom. Bye-bye.